Hey, what's up guys? It's your girl Ktura Kay, and today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be sharing my experience with celery juice with you all. I'm so excited to share everything that I've learned, everything that I've experienced over the past 7 days. I hope you all find it helpful, find it informative, and I'm really excited to share everything with y'all, and I hope you all enjoy. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and that bell to be notified when I post new videos. So, if you're interested in watching, stay tuned. So, guys, I'm so excited. I'm just so excited to share, this information with you all. I know celery juice has been on and popping, out and popping for a minute now. But I finally gave it a try for myself. I'm, focusing more on my health. After recently having, my father pass, it's just heartbreaking. And I really hate that my dad passed away. But he was just so healthy. So it's just crazy that, he ended up passing from cancer. You just kind of want to do everything you can to live a healthy lifestyle, to, at least try to live a lot longer and live a healthy lifestyle. So I want to explain to you the top benefits from eating celery and drinking celery juice. So I have my notes here. I'm going to read from my notes. Celery juice lowers cholesterol. It's a natural anti-inflammatory. It lowers the blood pressure. It aids the liver. It improves digestion. It contains powerful antioxidants. It fights infection. And it is highly nutritious. It has a ton of vitamins like vitamin K, vitamin C, vitamin B2, vitamin B6, and it also has like potassium and folate as well. We like to call it like a cocktail for the skin, so it really makes your skin glow, and I actually found that to be true. And I just noticed different, just small changes, but different changes in my body. So there was one more thing I wanted to mention about celery juice, how it heals and activates your gut. So a lot of people try to use it for weight loss. And last but not least, it is alkalizing. So I know a lot of people like to follow an alkaline diet. So the alkaline diet is said to lengthen your life and prevent chronic diseases, and it kind of prevents that buildup of mucus. So, mucus is the cause of a lot of diseases, majority of the diseases. And, having an alkaline diet, it just prevents that. So that's really a good thing, because all of these diseases out here, they're just killing people left and right. Like I said, my father recently passed from cancer, and you just never know what could have caused it. Just could come from anything. Like, you just never know these days. So you definitely want to try to live a healthier lifestyle. So that's what I'm trying to do. So let's get into my experience. So I have a juicer. I went ahead and bought my juicer. I have this juicer right here. So I love it so far. It's really powerful. It doesn't heat up. I've read some of the comments before purchasing, like some of the other ones, and some of the other ones were heating up too fast and things like that. So I definitely wanted to make sure I got one that, was by a reputable brand and something that wasn't going to heat up or conk out on me in like a week or two, or even a month. So I'm hoping that it lasts. I haven't been using it every day like I thought I would be. So I've been using like almost like every other day, and then just pouring my juices in mason jars like this. So they're airtight. I have bigger ones as well. So it just makes the juice last longer and keeps the nutrients in the juice longer since it's airtight. Because sometimes if you juice, the nutrients can, go out of the juice within like 30 minutes, unless you put it in an airtight container. So I like to put my celery juice in that, and that's what I did when I did the juicing for a week, and it definitely helped me out so I didn't have to make it every day. When it comes to cleaning your celery, that's always the first step. I had my celery stalks, I cleaned them, I put a little bit of apple cider vinegar in warm water, and I took my vegetable scrubber and I scrub. And I made sure to get organic celery, because celery doesn't have a real like protective skin like some other vegetables. It doesn't have a real skin. You're literally just taking it off the stalk and eating it. You want to make sure you clean it, because it tends to have more pesticides. So getting rid of those pesticides is a must. So you don't want to ingest pesticides. Like, that is the worst. So you definitely want to make sure you clean it as much as possible. And like I said, I took my apple cider vinegar, a little bit of vinegar, and put it in some warm water and scrubbed each stalk, front and back, top and bottom. Like, I was not playing. I was like, I gotta clean this before I juice it. So once I cleaned it, I stuck it in my juicer and let the magic happen. I added like 2 apples just for flavor because the juice can be a little bit on the bitter side, so I wanted it to have a little more flavor and to be, you know, easier to drink. So I added like 2 apples for each container that I made, and it was great. It definitely helped. Like, I even tried the apple juice, you know, by itself. I just did 1 apple by itself just to see how it tastes. It was so good. So I know it made a big difference in the flavor of the celery juice. So you can add whatever you want. You can mix different things if you like, but I kind of wanted to stick to celery because that was the topic and that was what everybody has been raving about. So I'm like, I gotta get my hands on this celery juice. I don't eat regular celery, so I'm like, it probably would be easier for me to juice it because I don't really like the taste of it. So that's what I did. So overall, I really think that the celery juice cleared my skin up. Like, it made my skin glow. Like, my skin is already clear, but it made my skin glow. And it gave me a little more energy. It kind of gave me some energy. It made me feel healthier. I don't know if it's just a mental thing or what, but I think it definitely made me feel healthier. It helped my digestive system, and it was great. I definitely think I will continue to do it and, you know, see what other benefits I get from it because, like I said, it definitely made a difference. So I'll probably keep doing it. Like I said, I have a juicer now, so I'm good to go. All I have to do is just buy the bag, clean it, and put it in the juicer. So we're good to go. So that is really all. I don't want this video to be too long. I just kind of wanted to talk to y'all a little bit more about the benefits of celery and how I juice and show you all how I did everything and tell you the benefits and what I noticed, you know, once I drunk it for 7 days. So thank you all so much for watching. I really appreciate each and every last one of you. I probably will be doing an update because I will continue to drink it. So I'll do an update, you know, if I see any changes, any more changes or anything like that, and I will keep y'all posted. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that like button and that bell to be notified when I post new videos. So I will see you all in the next one. Bye.